I got it.
I like your taste.
Thank you. Layla the nerd. Get going, nerd. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bernie. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Blow it out. Good job. Cecilia the nerd. Oh, I just was seeing where you were.
Are you filming?
I am filming.
Yay! Ow!
You hit me in the head. Lucy, jump. Katie, jump. Ready, say cheese. Say happy birthday. Good job. I really messed something up. Usually I can take a picture while I'm filming. I'm taking a video.
Yeah!
Alright, smile. Alright, now stand in a row, put your arms around each other quick. Say cheese. That would be nice. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to Penny's Life 101, and it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh my god. And, he's playing Tap Tap Dash. And we're watching a baby show. And Livy woke up first, and she's already dressed, holy cow. And then Cece woke up. Then we woke up. And then I'm like, why are we watching this? Like, guys, what is it? Oh my god. Zoom in on your face. That was a good face to zoom in. What? Dad just woke up. Mom just woke up. Oh, you just covered mine. Guys, look at my slime. It's all wet. The sink must be wet. But, if you guys checked out my other video, of us trying to make the slime, then, you told what I said, it did not work out, but this, we did it. Glitter thing everywhere. Ugh. I need to go potty. I need to go potty. Look at them. Look at them. Oh, I gotta go potty. Okay, stay right back. Guys, it's a mess in here. But look at guys. Mess. Laywa. Hello. Hello. She said I packed up and already have all of my clothes on. Oh wow. I'm gonna need help packing up. Oh, I can't even get through here. It's just 8 o'clock. Like what? I don't like it, Elena, about it. I know. Well, we had to take out all that stuff so then they wouldn't bother us. Okay, guys, we put these, our glow masks, around the doorknobs so then we can lock this and Layla kid out. This kid and that kid. Look.
They were out here.
So guys, we need to clean up when we change into the breakfast buffet, and I want you to see it. Livy already cleaned up, so she's good. That angel over there, I'm zooming in. He's playing with Harry Potter. My pillow. Devil. Devil? Now you're the devil. That made the screen. Yeah, made it go yellow. Yes. Oh my God, yellow screen. Squeam. Squeamy, squeamy, squeam, squeam. Ah, my squeam. Okay. We are going to clean up. So I'll see you at the breakfast buffet. We're back. I told you. Like I told you guys. We're back. And our room is still a mess. We told you we would clean up, but I guess we didn't. Well, we have been. Me, Rosie, and Cece got undressed, and dressed together. And Livy was just sitting out here the whole time because she's already dressed. She's so cute. But yeah, look at my sweet what I'm wearing. Look at she's wearing a pink shirt with sweatpants, and I'm wearing this. I'm wearing a hoodie with a heart, and I have an LOL. So we are going to get ready to the breakfast buffet. But guys, let me show you something. Since Layla and Lucy are already packed, let me show you what they're doing already. Holy cow!
If you guys, there's like 2 gift bags over there.
I need to get my suitcase. Okay, I gotta pack up. I got Domo and Harry. Domo, you're gonna have a safe trip. Okay, gotta zipper that up. Let's go and put that to the big trolley. Let's go. Put in my cord and oh. Now I'm putting Lucy's tablet in here. Oh, now I'm going to brush my hair. Yeah, so let's do this. I'm all done. I'm all done. Okay, well, that's the way to brush. And yeah, I think I got all done. Oh, she's brushing my hair now. You really don't have to brush your hair. I know, because I didn't even brush my hair at night. Like, I didn't get up. I just took out my hair. What's Layla doing? She's just chilling before we go to the breakfast buffet. Ow. No, I have a knot. Ow. 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 That hurts. Oh my gosh. Da, 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 da. Oh my god! Look at Libby! Oh my gosh, guys! Libby's just like a ta-ta. Where did the brush go? Put it in the blue bag. I'm trying to film your face the whole time. Oh, there we go. Ah! Look at Libby. She's just under there. Wait, guys. Charlie.
I can't get up.
Wait. Charlie. Oh, that's hard. Wait, I pushed it. Yay. I pushed it. How are you, Libby? It's like you're in a car in the back seat.
I can't fit in.
Oh my gosh. Layla, you're strong. Layla literally pulled. Oh, I thought Layla was doing that. A strong first grader. No, she's first.
What's this?
Those are my socks. I need to put on.
What about a soap to take home to their
Bubba would.
What about some shampoo and lotion?
I want lotion.
I got shampoo.
Yay, lotion.
Want the lotion?
I get this. This is conditioner. This is conditioner. I want lotion. Give me conditioner.
Oh.
Lotion. I get lotion, yo. Lotion. There's more in Dad's room. Whoa, why is that blurry? Okay, I need to put on my socks and get some lotion, shampoo, conditioner. What do you want? Oh, okay. Rosie wants to lock Cece in there. Is Lucy in there? Get the little eye mask thing. Okay, well I just put on my socks and lotion. Should I put any lotion? Wait, in my pockets.
I'm putting it in my bag.
Oh! Hey, guys, who likes the show Rapunzel? Rapunzel. Oh my gosh. Na na na. Ba da da da.
Mine turned out kind of crazy, huh?
Yeah.
That's good.
I'm gonna make more of it because I have the unicorn and glow in the dark one. I can't wait to make the unicorn. Oh, that's nice. Wait, can I play with slime too? Oh my gosh, it's like an air disc. Look it. Wait.
Put my back in there.
Okay. Like an air disc.
Who ate berries?
Are we going to the breakfast buffet yet?
Is everybody here? Is everybody ready?
Come
You
on.
guys have shoes on? Nobody has shoes on?
Oh my gosh. Usually I don't. Okay, let's get me my shoes. I thought we were gonna forget my slime. Oh my gosh. Like, cause we're going to the breakfast buffet. And then slime fight. And then I saw, hey, let her have some. I already have my shoes on. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, we're going to the breakfast buffet.
Glitter is confusing.
Only one dot. I feel like the glitter got mixed in. Hey, where's the conditioner? I don't know. It's like only, okay. I almost forgot my dress. It's right there. Who did that? Oh my gosh, somebody smacked my butt if you could hear that. I love New York. TM. TM? I feel like every shirt like that has a logo. Everybody's so focused into this. I want food. We're going. We're going.
Take your pen down.
We're going. We're going. We're going. Dark hair. Really? But don't do it yet. Yeah, because there's 5 levels. We're on 3. Are we, guys? Are we going down? 2. Open. Level 1. Oh my gosh, guys. Lucy. But you almost locked Dad out. I almost got squished by that thing.
Wish I could take a picture. Give me this camera.
No,
Dad!
Oh my gosh.
I know now she doesn't get it at all.
Well, how you would have... A whole table for us in the library. The library.
We're still wearing our glasses.
What? She just opened this. Oh my god!